Hey guys, Lynette here, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office, and today we have a special video for you guys. I wanted to share a couple beauty products that I don't see anyone else there talking about. Super excited to share these because these are definitely some of my favorites that I think they're like hidden under the closet for some reason. But let's get in and let's get into those shares. Okay guys, so welcome back. So if you don't have a pen and paper, definitely grab them, or if you are lazy like me, I will put the products that we're going to go over in the description box below. So don't worry. If you love subscription boxes, if you love beauty reviews, if you love hauls, then you definitely want to make sure that you like and subscribe, because that is what we do up in here. That's what we do. So definitely make sure that you follow. And if you dig spoilers, we definitely throw a little bit of spoilers in there too. So what are we talking about? We're talking about beauty products that I don't think a lot of people are mentioning, but I grabbed some of my favorites. I love these products. I've been using them for, I can say, about a month so far. So that's why I can say, hey, you guys need to check these things out. So if you need to get a pen and paper, make sure you do it. So let's get into it. Let's not waste any time. So I'm going to start with the most smallest ones that we have here. So we have, this was the first item I got from, this was from CIATÉ London. I don't think this has a color. I literally use this every day. Yeah, there's no color on here that I can see. Let me just make sure. Just says call me. So I don't think that's the name of it. I'll look. This was from my I think this was from like my first, let me see. This was like from my first Allure package, I think. I use this all the time. It's actually, I have it on in combination with another one that's a must-have for me. This is from Bite Beauty. I got this from my Sephora Play box. I believe it was last month. This, I love it. This is a, let me see, get that there. This is from Bite Beauty. This is called Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glaze. So the beauty of this one is that it's not magnetic. I thought it was for some reason. I'll do a swatch so you guys can see it. It's not like and that's actually what I have on right now with the CIATÉ London. The beauty of this one is, as you can see there, it's not like a crazy creepy color. That it's just a dark mauve color, which I love, and it is creamy. So unlike those dry lip matte colors, I'm trying to think of what the name of it is. I think it's from Lustre, I'm not too sure, but I have like a matte lip, what is it, a lip stain I think it is, or it's a matte lip gloss. I don't know what it is, but it can't be gloss because it's super dry. That thing drives me crazy, where I always have to put lip gloss after it just so that it feels pasty. This one does not feel pasty at all. It's definitely creamy and it still gives you a matte look, but I usually like to make it shine. But I definitely use that without lip gloss when I feel like it. So definitely make sure to check that one out, and we'll put, let me see, it doesn't have a retail value of it because this was from my little Sephora Play box. I don't see that, but I'll put that in the description below so you guys can check it out. Love it. It's matte, but it's not like dry matte. Those are annoying. Okay, next item here I received in my Sephora Play. I've never tried a Clinique makeup remover ever in my life. This one, the name of this one is Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for Lids, Lashes, and Lips. I've never tried a makeup remover that, it's weird. This one is weird to me, but it's weird that I love it. This one is, you put it on and it totally takes your makeup off, but it has a kind of oily, but it's not oily. So when you touch your face after it, it feels like there's something there. I don't know if you guys have ever tried like makeup remover wipes. I've tried those before, and sometimes it leaves your face like super dry. This one, what's weird is that it feels like you just put lotion on your face and you just took your makeup off with it, like a nice, not greasy lotion. This one, I've never tried anything like that before. I don't know if you guys have tried that before, but if you guys have tried this, definitely let me know. I received this again in my Sephora Play last month, and I've been using it ever since to take my makeup off. This I'm definitely gonna get the full size product of this one. So if you guys never use this, I would definitely recommend that. This is, I've never seen anyone talk about this Clinique makeup remover before. I would say that's a must. Then the next item I'm gonna talk about, this one is something that I use when I basically don't have any more micellar water from any company. This is like my backup micellar water, but it's surprisingly very good. So it does what it needs to do. This is from the brand Anew, and this is a Hydrofusion cleansing micellar water. So if you can see that, this is a 10 fluid ounce water, micellar water, cleansing water. I use this also to remove my makeup, but since I've gotten this, I haven't used it much. But I don't have any micellar water in my home, so this is what I'm using right now. As you can see, it's gone. Usually I use what's in my subscription boxes first. I haven't gotten a micellar water yet, so this is what I've been using. This does the trick. I know that they have like a Hydrofusion brand, but I just needed micellar water and I didn't want anything that was gonna break my bank. So I got this one. This is from Anew. So this has been good. I'm very surprised this is from Anew and this has done its work. Definitely cleans your face. I do like a 10-step skincare routine where I wash my face, use micellar water like this, and I use toner, and then exfoliate, sheet mask, things like that. And I'll put that up there somewhere in the description so that you guys can check that video out if you kind of want to see. It's like a K-beauty skincare routine is what I do every day basically. I don't do the sheet mask every day, but I try to implement that like 2 or 3 times a week. Usually comes to 2 times a week, but this definitely does the work, because basically the purpose, if you've never used micellar water before, is when you clean your face, this gets rid of anything left over on your face, because it's like a double cleansing that K-beauty, the Korean people do when they're cleaning their face. They basically wash their face twice. So this is like that second set where you would wash your face again. So this is kind of taking off. And what's crazy is when you do wash your face with regular foam cleanser or whatever you're using to wash your face, and you do this, usually there's stuff on your cotton ball after, and it's like, literally, I just washed my face. But I guess I still have dirt. So this basically does that last cleanse for you. So this has been awesome for me. And again, it's a pretty big bottle, so it definitely does the work that it needs to for me. Next item here that I've been using for the last month, this is from Pixi. So this is a glow mist. This one is kind of weird, as you can see. I use this every day. This has like an oil base at the top, and then but I'll give you guys the description there. This has like an oil base at the top, and then you have to shake it before you use it. So I know that looks like a vinaigrette that you put on your salad, but this does the trick. Basically what you do is you shake it up so that all the ingredients can be shaken in there, and you just spray this. This is like a glow mist. The reason why I like this is because I work from home. I don't need to put makeup on every day, but this gives my face like that moisture throughout the day. So I love using this after I wash my face. This is like that last kind of like, because in the summer it's like too hot to wear lotion and moisturizer sometime during the day, so you just throw this on more than once, and it does a trick, sort of like a moisturizer. I'm not sure if that's what it's intended, but it does. I love it. This keeps my face definitely, set. Another thing that this is, maybe I don't see a lot of people talking about, but I got this in my FabFitFun. This is a Coola makeup setting spray. So I love this. I actually used this on before I came on today. I love this. I'm not a makeup setting spray person because I always get nervous thinking it's gonna be like super shiny and crazy and stuff, but I love this for the times that I do wear makeup. It definitely does the trick. So that's from Coola. Not a big deal because I don't use that all the time, but when I do, it does what it needs to do. So another item so now we're getting into my 2 favorite products that I don't see people still talking about to this day. I got this from my very first Ipsy bag. This was from Candy Johnson and Pure Lease. This has been my jam all summer, and there you go. So I'm trying to get that so you guys can see that. This is Buttermeat Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. Literally, I am almost out. I wish you guys can see that. I am almost out of this product, but the smell of this is beyond me. If you guys have ever, and I said it in my Ipsy unboxing the last time I unboxed this one, if you guys have ever tried, if you ever eaten when you were small like an orange creamsicle, and I know that probably sounds crazy, that's what this smells like. So imagine your entire body smelling like an orange creamsicle. Kind of makes you want to eat it, which we know we can't, but this has been an amazing product for me, and I don't see a lot of people still talking about this one. When we got this one a few months back, this was in my very first Ipsy, and I've been in love ever since. Definitely getting another package of this one because I love it. Last but not least, I've been using this for the last, I believe it's like 2 months, I'm not too sure. I'll put the video down below when I got this one. This is from Sunday Riley. This is $65. Guys, this smells amazing. This one it's weird. It kind of has kind of like an orange. It's kind of smells like this one, kind of orangey scent, but you don't need, the beauty of this one is this is an AM and PM moisturizer. You don't need to put a lot of this moisturizer on your face. This is so thick that you just put what I do is I put a little bit, and I put a little bit under my eyes, all over my face and my neck and my hands. It goes a long way, and I can see why this is $65 because this will last you a very long time. Guys, I think I've had this for a month and a half, and I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Guys, I'm still at the top. I know that it was hard to see that. I'm still at the top of the bottle. Let me see if I can hide it. Hold on. There you go. I'm literally still at the top of this bottle. This is gonna last me a couple months. Guys, this was worth it. If you guys have never tried this is my very first Sunday Riley product. If you guys have never tried it, definitely add this to yourself. Even if you have to invest in getting this, you get it, because it was definitely worth it. We got this in we actually got this in an Ipsy box, one of the Ipsy Plus. I think it was last month or the month before, I'm not too sure, but this was definitely worth it. So with that being said, what have been, you guys gotta let me know, have you guys tried any of these products before? Have you guys tried any of them? Do you love them? What have been your favorite products? Definitely let me know in the comments below. What have been your favorite products that you don't see people talking about, but you think it's so worth it? People should be talking about it. Let me know, because I would love to try those products out myself so I can give them a try, maybe do a possible future review. Let me know in the description box below. And again, please let me know if you've tried any of these products. Am I bugging? Am I the only one that loves these products? So definitely, if you love product reviews, if you love subscription unboxings, if you love spoilers, again, definitely like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.